Hi, this is a question from chapter 4 and chapter 5, circles. Okay, the topic is circles. So, this question given there's a one circle, we need to find the radius. Okay, so first, let me guide you with just to draw two non-parallel chords line. Okay. Let's make it green color. Okay. Then let's put the line here. One will be like vertical, non-parallel, right? Another will be we draw. Okay. Now next step. Step number 2, we want to construct the perpendicular bisector in order to find the center point. Okay. So let's put it red color for that. And then let's try. Okay. So long that your distance for your compass longer, okay, greater than half of this line will do. Okay. Let me lock it. And then let's try to construct, lock it. Okay. Try to construct it. Cross line. Okay. Let's try the other end here. Okay. Let me move to here. Okay. So now next we want to link the cross, these two markers. Okay. Let's put blue color. And for the line here, we'll do. Okay. Okay. Let's link. Okay. So now next, here there's a chord here. We want to construct another perpendicular bisector. That's a red color back. And here, that put it here. Okay. Confusing with the red color, maybe we change another color. Maybe gray. Okay. Okay. And put to the other end of the line and try to draw the marker. Okay. So now next link to this gray marker with blue color. Okay. Okay. So now we found the center point already. This is the center point with the this straight line and another straight line. So now we can measure the radius already, right? It's time for us to be able to to measure it. So about 3.6 cm. Okay, thank you.